Yo, what's up guys? This is the Whadafunk Stories vlog, episode number, who knows? We don't know what's gonna happen because we got a couple episodes coming here before we film this, a couple after, getting everything together for full winter. That's what's going on right now. This is what we use. I'll show you. If you guys look back at the old episodes, this was us making the summer line and we print out these sheets or whatever. But yeah, so I'm just using these for reference, for sizing. Checking out the sizes of what to make the new stuff, but obviously this is summer 2020. But yeah, so I was just using this to get the sizing right. But right now, I'm going to test out the new screen like I said. So we got this screen right here, and I gotta tape off the edges because there's no emulsion on the edges and you don't want it going through or whatnot. So we're gonna tape off the edges, get it ready, do a test print, and show you guys that. Edges are all taped off. We're about to get some test shirts, do a little test print, make sure the screen's ready to go, make sure the emulsion's still good, make sure everything washed out correctly, and then after that we're gonna coat some more screens with emulsion. So test print worked out good. This is the actual shirt that we're gonna be printing them on. I had a couple laying around before we ordered the actual bunch, before we print all of them. So everything is good to go. Now we are gonna coat some more screens with emulsion. This is all the screens we're about to do. Coat them up with emulsion and let them dry overnight. Back in the studio today. We coated the screens last night. We're gonna burn a couple more screens tonight. We're just getting the designs ready. I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Sizing out the designs. This design right here is going on some leggings, so don't bite my shit, that's all I'm saying. And we're gonna print it out, test out the sizes. That's what's going down right now. Whadafunk, working 24/7. Let's get it, hustle baby. This is the screen that we tested out yesterday. The shit works great, cause that's the shit. This is the Whadafunk plant. Look at this baby, growing like a fucking champion. Let's go. There's a test print. This is what we're gonna be printed on. Vintage black shirts. George is about to get a makeover soon. Looking fresh, fly. Whadafunk sign. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This plant needs a little love. I don't know what to do with it. If anyone knows what to do with this plant, let me know. I don't know how to bring it back to life. Gonna start printing the Whadafunk hoodies. This design right here, and in the middle is gonna go a nice Whadafunk, another color. But first we're gonna print the backs. We're just getting set up right now. Got our ink right here. Got our squeegee. Got our spoon, and we're ready. So this is the transparency. This is going to be in the front, same design as the back, just a little smaller pocket size. And then this is the back transparency right here that was used to burn this screen right here. So that's how we do it, just like that. And now we're going to do a couple of test prints, get everything ready, and then we're going to start printing the back of these hoodies. Get ready, guys. Stay warm.
Like, alright. Whoa.
Ow! Ow!
Ow for what?
You, I'm just making fun of you.
Okay.
Ow! Make your life. Choose your actions wisely.
Blue juice, boys.
Blue juice on deck.
Why are you wearing a mask inside?
I don't like breathing in the fumes. It's like smoke comes out of this shit. I don't like breathing that shit in. You like breathing that shit in? Not me. It's like cooking eggs.
Alright guys, so we're back in the studio. Everything is all printed up now, and now we got a few other things we gotta do. We gotta do a little heat pressing, and then we gotta sew labels in, and then take photos, get everything ready for the website. But that's pretty much the process so far that we're up to. We're using the heat press right here, pressing the leggings just to cure the ink. So if you don't know, that's how we cure the ink that was silk screen printed, that you guys seen everything be silk screen printed and all that. So we're just getting everything ready right now, and soon you're gonna have some new Whadafunk. That's where we're at right now. Now that everything's done, sewing the labels in, printing and all that, now it's time to take photos for the website. We're gonna set everything up, take pictures, then we gotta edit the pictures, and then they go on the website. So taking pictures for the shop right now. I'll show you guys the inside labels that we sewed in. This is the new inside label right here. Nice. Boom. Size underneath. Bandanas looking nice. Look at those. We're gonna set these up right here, put a white thing on the floor, and then take photos. That's what's going on right now. That's the update. Alright guys, so the new Whadafunk Fall Winter 2020 collection is now complete. Now we're just gonna fold everything up, bag everything up, get it ready, and then, you know, put everything on the website, stuff like that. But let's go through what we made. Here we are, Whadafunk Classic. This was inspired by, I'm gonna tell you guys what this was inspired by, because, you know, this is behind the scenes. This is for the people who actually watch Whadafunk videos. This is inspired by, you know, a chain link steering wheel, you know, like where you put on like an old cool van or some shit like that, and then, you know, bow, gotta put the yellow in there, make that shit pop, and why not throw a little spider web in there too. So that's the back of the hoodie. Front, same design, pocket, you know, left pocket. This is a pullover hoodie. Everybody asks for pullover hoodies, so that's what we made. Do it for you guys. Hand silk screen printed by us, with the yellow heat press there. Next up, the Nothing Matters vintage tee. So we decided to switch it up. You know, usually we do front and back designs. We want to do a really big front design this time because, you know, when you're wearing your flannels or your other button downs or whatnot, you know, you want to show off what you're wearing. So that's why we made the big front design on the vintage black tee. Gives you a little vintage look, like an old Harley shirt. That's what we were going for on this. Not the design-wise. Design-wise, wanted to get crazy and try something different this time. Lady's face with the stars. Nothing matters, whatever, who cares, right? That's part of our theme, as always. So, what else do we got here? We have Whadafunk leggings, okay? Hold up a second. Whadafunk leggings. New Whadafunk tags on the inside too. Look at that. Bow. Ooh, yeah. Alright, so we put flames. Look at this design right here. Flames, ghost flames. Whadafunk ghost flame leggings. This is down the left side, the thigh, and then on the right side we did same design but flames are flipped the opposite direction. This is down the left thigh, okay? And this is down the right bottom of your leg. See, the flames is flipped. Letters are a little bit, mostly the same. So print on both legs, Whadafunk Ghost Flame leggings for the ladies, because I know everyone likes wearing leggings. We got here a Whadafunk grocery tote bag. So I want to make an essential piece right here. You know, your everyday use type of thing. Whadafunk tote bag with the skull flower, with the Whadafunk in the mouth. Hand drawn, of course, always. Hand silk screen printed by us. This is a nice big tote bag for you. Carry all your groceries in whenever you go shopping, since they don't allow plastic bags anymore. You know, that's why I made this. An essential Whadafunk piece you could use when you go shopping. Last but not least, another essential item in these times. Whadafunk bandanas or face coverings, whatever the hell you want to use it for. Or a rag, or whatever, you know. I always like to keep bandana on me, you know, especially if you're riding and stuff like that or anything. It's always good to have on you. So this is a Whadafunk bandana. This design right here, a lot of people don't know this, but I'm gonna tell you right in this video because this is for the heads. This design right here was made about 9 years ago. Silk screen printed by my man Naz Gimmick. This one was printed by us, but the original design was printed by my man Naz Gimmick. If you don't know who Naz Gimmick is, there's a podcast that I was on where I explain who he is. So I'll link you guys to that podcast too. That's what we got right here. Beautiful silk screen printed pattern. Look at this. Ooh. And that's for the OGs. I wanted to reprint this because they sold out when we first started the brand. And it was about time we remade them again. That's the Whadafunk collection. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys get a piece. And I hope you guys wear it proudly. And I guarantee when you wear Whadafunk, someone will say something about what you're wearing. That's not a money back guarantee, but that's just a guarantee by me. So I'm about to finish getting everything ready. And by the time you guys see this, everything will probably be available on the website. If not, it will be soon. I'm obviously filming this in advance because that's how we roll. So, appreciate everybody's support. Thanks for watching the vlog. Stay tuned for more. As always, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And buy Whadafunk. Represent. Do your own thing. Whadafunk.net. That's the lifestyle.